Hey guys, today we're going to make a really classic Caesar salad with a little slight modification. So what you may or may not know about Caesar salad is that it was invented by a man named Caesar Cardini in Tijuana, Mexico during Prohibition. Crazy, right? So it was a very popular dish at his restaurant and it was traditionally made tableside. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make the Caesar dressing, which describes how to make an emulsion. This same procedure can be used for mayonnaise or many other different salad dressings. A controversial ingredient in Caesar salad often is anchovies. If you don't like them, good news for you, I'm not going to use them. However, I will be using fish sauce, which I enjoy much more than anchovies. Fish sauce is a really good way to add umami flavor to any dish. I know it kind of sounds gross, but I really do encourage you to try it out. So if you choose not to use the fish sauce, a combination of Worcestershire and soy sauce makes a really good alternative. Alright, so let's come in close and get started.
Alright, so to begin, add 2 eggs to a medium-sized mixing bowl and whisk until they're nice and frothy. While I'm whisking, I'm going to talk a little bit about why this emulsification process works. So as we all well know, oil and water do not mix, but using an emulsification agent can help in this process. Emulsification agent works by coating the surface of droplets and shielding the droplet surface from the continuous liquid. In order for this to work, emulsifiers must be partially soluble in each of the 2 mutually incompatible liquids. See, egg yolks make a really good emulsification agent because they are an emulsion themselves. They contain LDL, the same one that in your blood, which contain a water-loving head and a fat-loving tail. A common emulsification agent is Dijon mustard. Along with that 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard that we just added, add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce and mix until combined. Although these egg yolks and the Dijon mustard are going to help in this emulsification process, we can't just dump all the oil in at once and it just works like magic. We have to slowly add the oil in, even drop-wise at first, and then speed up as we go along. So I hope you all didn't skip arm day because we have a lot of whisking to do. It's very important for you to see this process to understand, so I'm going to shut up and just let you guys enjoy. Alright, so after you get all that oil emulsified in, we're going to work on flavoring our Caesar dressing. I add about 2 minced garlic cloves that were sauteed in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And finally, to brighten everything up, I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon. And that's our Caesar dressing. Next, we're going to build the salad. So in the bowl, I have about 2 cups of chopped romaine lettuce, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese and a squirt of lemon juice to brighten up the flavor even more. Finally, add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the dressing we made earlier and a couple grinds of black pepper. I then toss it all up with some tongs, working to spread everything out evenly. It's important to note that the tongs are actually close when I mix. I then add about half a cup of croutons and some pickled red onions, reserving the rest for the top. After everything's mixed, go ahead and plate it and top it with those reserved croutons and pickled red onions for some color. And there you have it, really simple but classic Caesar dressing. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks, see you next time.